Okay, everybody, here we go. 26 seconds. I'm not going to spam this drop. This is usually how I do other things. I don't think it's a good idea. My friend got a comic yesterday. This is called the Alpha Flight Marvel comic. He said he waited until it said 1 second and then he clicked. It's hard to see because of my light above. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck. God damn it, why doesn't this ever work for me? Son of a bitch. I got my nails done, by the way. They're now purple, lavender, light lavender, and I can't get a comic to save my life. Fuck, man. I have never gotten a comic, and I don't know. Maybe I will be lucky at the 4-minute drop. I'm going to have this video go for 4 minutes. Ooh, huh? No. My favorite drop are the blind boxes where it's like a little NFT that you can see. I've never had a look with these comics. Okay, 1 minute has gone by. And I don't want to spam it because every time I've spammed it before like that, you know, clicking too much, the screen goes black on the comics. So people were saying to like wait for the perfect moment. But this is harder than I thought. I remember I was in like a VeVe Twitter space and they were saying how there's gonna be like a wait list almost type of thing, or like a priority list if you have maybe certain collectibles. Something like that I'm not 100% sure of is gonna change in the future. I don't know when that's gonna be implemented or even if I'm explaining it correctly, but something about this process is gonna change is what I remember. So if you remember what that process is or is going to be, please let us know in the comments. Yep. I like woke up at 10:33 today and I was like, oh my God, VeVe. Yesterday I was up till 5:30 like doing NFT stuff. So I just basically jumped out of bed, made an NFT news video, and then here I am at the VeVe drop. I think we're almost at 3 minutes now. Come on. I love these VeVe drops for the flips, you know. I was able to flip my way from like 160 gems to 4,000, and I invested in the Batman rare like first edition NFT that they had, which I'll show you guys in a minute after I give up on this at like minute 5. And so to me, VeVe is like a way to flip and make more money. Unfortunately, you can't take the money back out yet, but that's definitely my goal. Okay, we're at 3 minutes. Come on, VeVe. And so I'm kind of proud of myself of like how far I flipped up. It's really cool. It's very fun actually too. Blind boxes are my favorite. And then like the marketplace and like all that stuff. It's so fun. And I think it's a really easy to use app for regular people. Like it can onboard a lot more people in the NFT space that are just coming in. Okay, we're at the 4-minute mark. Come on. Work. Hope I'm not clicking too fast. Thank you guys so much for always watching my VeVe videos and commenting on it and liking it. I really appreciate it. My friend Lynn said he didn't get anything today. I need to text him and say me too. I'm going to wait till it says 11:05 and then I'm going to give up. I did this one, yeah, 11:05. I did this one time until it said like 11:45. You know, I don't want to be here all day kind of clicking the buy it now button, because it's okay if I missed out on stuff.